Hi there, I'm Lee, in behalf of Herbert. I'm here today to talk to you about a tool that allows you to create stunning bonus pages for your affiliate marketing promotions, and it's called Bonus Page Generator. This software was created by Alessandro Zamboni and Dirk Wagner. A software that runs on Windows, Mac, mobile phones, and tablets. A new tool creates brand new bonus pages for you in around 10 minutes. The great advantage here is the pages you create can be put on your domain names so that you don't have problems posting them on social media or inside blog posts and emails. You can change any part of the page, from colors to text, buttons, backgrounds, your profile picture, and much more. Bonus Page Generator is a fantastic tool sold for a price that I think is too low for the work done. So don't lose this big chance. Kindly click the link below to access plus our exclusive bonuses. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next video.